In 1987, an Italian playboy pulled off one of London's biggest heists by simply walking through the front door. Valerio Vice rented a safety deposit box at the Knightsbridge Security Deposit. Like any normal customer, he studied the staff routines, memorised their schedules, planned every detail. When he returned weeks later, he brought friends. His team held the staff hostage for hours while they systematically broke into hundreds of boxes, £60 million, in cash, gold and jewellery, gone. The operation was flawless. No alarms, no witnesses who could identify them, no evidence left behind. Vici was living the high life in London. Expensive cars, lavish parties, everything money could buy. But weeks later he realised he'd made one mistake. He'd left fingerprints at the scene, so he went back to clean them up. What he didn't know was that police were watching the building. The moment he walked through those doors again, they arrested him. The perfect heist ruined by a return trip that lasted 30 seconds.